Open the Settings app and tap Wi-Fi to get started. On the Wi-Fi screen, tap the Information button, that's the I in a circle, to the right of the network you want to configure. To change the current Wi-Fi network's settings, tap the I button next to the Wi-Fi network you're currently connected to at the top of the screen. Next, tap the Manual option at the top of the screen, and then tap the red -sign icons to the left of the automatically configured DNS servers to remove them from the list. Tap the Add Server button, and then type the IP address of each DNS server you want to use on its own line. For example, add a primary DNS server on the first line and the secondary on the second line. Tap Save when you're done. Remember, you'll need to repeat this process for every Wi-Fi network on which you want to use a custom DNS server.